President Ferdinand Marcos is scheduled to convene a full cabinet meeting on Tuesday, January 7. Meanwhile, the Department of Agriculture is set to launch 2 affordable and healthier rice varieties. Mobile journalist Julie Baisa has the report.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. will have a full cabinet meeting on Tuesday, January 7. According to the Presidential Communications Office, the agenda of the meeting includes legacy projects, such as big-ticket programs and official development assistance-funded projects. PCO also said that the President compared some notes with Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin in relation to the full cabinet meeting next week. Meantime, the Department of Agriculture will roll out 2 cheaper and healthier rice varieties for the public. DA spokesperson Assistant Secretary Arnel de Mesa said they will launch the Sulit Rice and Nutri Rice.
Itong Sulit Rice, nagkakahalaga ito ng 35 to 36 pesos kada kilo at ito yung tinatawag natin na 100% broken na bigas. Maganda pa naman yung quality. Ang kaibahan lang talaga nito ay broken itong bigas na to. Sinubukan na namin itong iluto rito sa opisina. At maganda naman yung quality ng bigas nito.
While the Nutri Rice, which the Mesa describes as between well-milled and brown rice, will be sold from 37 pesos to 38 pesos per kilo.
Marami pang nutrients na natira ito. Tinatawag natin itong Nutri Rice. Marami pa itong fiber at vitamins and minerals. At ititinda naman ito sa halagang 37 to 38 pesos per kilo.
The Sulit Rice and the Nutri Rice will be available at the Kadiwa ng Pangulo centers across the country. De Mesa also said that the government plans to further increase the number of Kadiwa centers to 700 by March.
Sa ngayong target natin by March ay magkaroon na tayo ng 700 na Kadiwa ng Pangulo centers at inaasahan natin bago matapos ang 2028 ay nasa 1,500 ang total number ng Kadiwa ng Pangulo site sa buong bansa.
The DA official assures the public that they will continue to bring down the rice prices and help the farmers. Mobile journalist Julie Baiza, We Are One News.
Yan, so malayo pa tayo dun sa 20 peso na bigas.
Umasa ka pa ba? Huwag na umasa.
Huwag na ba?
Oo. Sabi nga na, nangako na nga, umasa ka pa eh.